how to change background color in Photoshop, 1-minute tutorial, and how you can use any color in your photo by converting from any background. So let's start the video. First we have to go select, after that subject. So now you have to check whether the entry background accept the subject of the picture you want to color is correct. If it is not correct, then you must fix it through the quick selection tool. Then we have to go again select and invert or keyboard shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus I. After that layer, adjustment layer, soiled color, then select color. Then you select the background color matching your photo or your choice. After that OK. Then blending and select multiply. That's it. So you can see our background color change complete in this way. You can change the background color of any of your photos or overlay color on the background. Hope the video is helpful. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe to the channel and stay with us. Thank you.